Another plane, you can tell me what it is. Have no idea. Old school. Had a super old engine in it. That's all I can tell you about it. Mid-wing, well, shoulder wing. I have no idea what it is. Could have been built for some radio control model or model airplane news or plans. He's gonna fly this thing. Looks like it'll be a nice trainer. A little sunburst pattern on it. I had a little monocoat on it and patch it. It's got a 40 Royal 40, which used to be a good engine, but this one's giving me trouble. I'm trying to get rid of some of these planes. Shoot, give me $25 for this one. You can have with servos and everything. Shucks, I'll even throw the engine in. $25, servo, engine, everything. All right, later.